Having a good lip care routine is kind of essential to my daily tasks. That is something I always put on morning and I always put on at night. And that's why I really want to try this Neutrogena Lip Mask. This has all the great ingredients that I love. This has hyaluronic acid, which binds to water and leaves the lips supple and smooth. Also has shea butter, which will really help nourish your lips and leave them feeling hydrated. So I'm just going to put it on and we're going to see it has this beautiful soft pink texture and it goes on the lips super hydrating and it doesn't leave much of a color or if any. And that, as you can see, this just leaves my lips looking shiny and beautiful. This also has another great ingredient, vitamin E, which helps fight any daily environmental aggressors. That it's really going to leave your lips hydrated and smooth, and it also has a beautiful berry scent. But for me, it smells more on the line of strawberries. But that this is going to be such a beautiful lip mask for the night that you're going to want to keep putting this on. I also love to just throw this in my bag and leave this at my work desk. And so I can kind of reapply all the time. And I'm going to find my lips are going to be more hydrated throughout the day. So if you're looking for a lip mask, this is definitely one you want to check out. I love the Neutrogena line, the Hydro Boost line, and it's really something that I'm going to look for. This has paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and it's gentle on your dry skin. So this is going to be everything you need in life.